Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P80. In this video I'll show you how to take screenshot. In order to take screenshot on your smartphone, the first method to do is pressing power button and volume down button. This is the fastest way to take screenshot. You can also use gesture, and in order to do it, let's go to settings and take screenshot. The gesture is double tap on the screen with your knuckle. It works only with knuckle. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.